We are here in order to discuss the current security situation in Wode local government area, especially Benin Auchi road axis, and we are here at the instance of the executive governor to discuss the way forward. Once again, you are all welcome to this town hall meeting. Thank you. On behalf of if you look at it, every day there's kidnapping, killing along this road. At times, they kidnap 10 people at a time, 30 people at a time, and they take them. We are now here to discuss the way forward about
Why we are here really is a fact-finding mission. We already have a security architecture that the governor is already working on dealing with the issue of this menace. The youth went out last week protesting, and we needed to come down to the community to actually know what the issues are and how to deal with it, because we have discovered that the issue of security has to be localized, and in localizing it you must hear directly from the people to understand the level. We have information, but you cannot work on a project without really understanding it deeply. And fortunately for us, some of the things we have put in place as some of the solutions they are already bringing. And we've learned one or two other things that we needed to add to the security architecture. So we are good to go, and what we have all agreed is that security is local and we must domesticate every sector, every aspect of dealing with it.
Well, the way forward is that we increase our patrol, we create more checkpoints, and we go into the bush to search where these people stay and where they keep their victims. And also, we are looking for information from the community, because to us it appears there are some community members that will have more information. So we have impressed on them to give us information, and if there's anybody benefiting from it, we want the community to open up and search within, so that if there is any deviance that is benefiting from what is happening, we will know and bring all of them to book.
They discuss with us how we shall go about the security in this Wode local government. And in fact, we have reached certain conclusion that we must find out solution to it. And the way we discuss, we really appreciate it, and we know very well that there is an effort being put in to see that there is peace in this local government.
We are already getting close to the solution to our problem on Benin Auchi road. Because first is to study the character and the behavior of security. And now we are getting close to the answer. And that is the reason why the Deputy Governor, His Excellency, has led all the security agencies to Ehor today, taking the problem to the basis, to the grassroots. And finding local solution is the way to go. And that is what we have come to do today. However, we are already getting all the information that we needed for a proactive action, which will put a permanent solution to the problem of insecurity on this road.